Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon UAE and good evening Philippines. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in Lake Park, Abu Dhabi. I just walk around here. Yesterday I went to the beach. Now I'm gonna walk only here in the park. In Lake Park. See, so many bird. I don't know what kind of bird is that. It's not the duck, different. See, even in down the bridge, there's so many bird. So many bird. I'm going up to the bridge. See the so many birds. Oh. Look. Oh, there. Oh. There's so many birds. Oh. Yeah, it's a different bird. It's not the duck. Smaller than the duck. I don't know what kind of bird is that. So many. There's so many. Oh. See? Ah, nakakasilaw. Oh, the bird. There's so many. So many bird in the park. Oh. La 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 la. Look, so many birds. Kasilaw yung araw. Ano, nasisilaw sa araw.